Alex Arthur Design here. Let's say you have those nice face framing layers in the front. You're gonna wanna do some slide cutting. Test out where the ends of your hair are. My first layer, face framer, starts about there, and slide cutting is cutting down, kind of just sliding the hair through the scissor. Open the scissor about that much, and you want to be cutting right there. There's the ends. Just look down. Just do little mini opening and closings. Did you see that? Little. Feels better already. Move back progressively. You just go down, little movements, tiny movements down. So I've done a little bit there, and then back there, and it slowly goes down into perimeter. There you go. Your hair should feel a lot smoother. I am here for you and your hair needs. Peace, take care, be safe and healthy, and love to you all. Bye.